Friends, hi and welcome to the next video of parenting. Today I am going to share some tips which will help you make your child smarter and confident. But before I share, I would like you to subscribe my channel so that you do not miss on any videos made for parenting. Thank you. So, starting with how to make your child confident and smarter. The first very important thing to make your child feel confident is appreciate the child. Appreciate the child for everything good that he does, for the good decisions he has made. For example, in day-to-day life, if you are in a market buying vegetables and you are choosing, for example, some tomatoes and your child picks up one asking you, Mama, can we select this? Then you should appreciate the child for his selection of that typical tomato, saying that now he understands what is a good vegetable looks like. If you go to a shopping center, you're shopping something and your child suggests you among all the things that he sees in front of him that Mama, can we buy this seems to be good, you should appreciate him saying that yes, now he understands what can be bought, or his selection of the thing is good. So appreciating the child for the decisions that he has made makes him feel confident. Suppose you are in a market and the child wants to buy a chocolate or maybe some chips or whatever eatable that you want to buy for him. Give him money and let him go to the shopkeeper to buy it. You can stand beside and see how he interacts with the shopkeeper. If the shopkeeper is busy and not ready to listen to him and he looks at you for help, you can help him by saying that use the word excuse me so that the shopkeeper turns towards you. Let the child try and talk to the shopkeeper. When he does this, at the end of the entire buying process, the child feels confident and that increases the confidence level in him. So next time when you want to buy something, he will himself come to you and say, Mama, can I buy that? Can I go and buy that? So here you have, by appreciating him, you have raised his confidence. Similarly, when you come home or when you are doing some activity at home, if you are doing some changes in the house or decorating the house, you can also take his inputs as well. And if anybody appreciates that change, you can in public, when in front of people, appreciate saying that it is my child's choice of keeping this vase or this flowers here, and so they look beautiful. So appreciating the child in front of people makes him feel more confident. At the same time, if you do exactly opposite, like saying that oh, he has done it so the wall looks dirty, he has painted it so it looks dirty, or he has scratched on it, or the child broke it, if you say something like this negative statements, it makes the child feel low. So avoid doing such negative comments and appreciate the child for all the good that he has done. When you're going out and you need to select clothes for him, let him select the clothes for him. Let him understand that what is party wear, what are the clothes that he should wear when he's going to garden, what are the clothes that he should wear if he's going to a playground. That will make him understand the choice of clothes, as well as if he selects the wrong clothes, he himself will understand it over a period of time, and yes, that makes him more confident because next time when he goes out, he would select the right clothes. So here, selection of clothes or making a decision of choosing the clothes is confidence boosting thing for the child. Now, if you are buying new clothes, and many a time it happens that we as a parent, we take things of our choice for the child. It goes by our choice, maybe the clothes, maybe toys, or maybe various games. So leave the child alone and see what his interests are. Let him discover what he wants to do, what he wants to play, or what type of clothes he wants to wear. Let him take a decision. Let him make a choice. Such taking decisions and making choices makes the child understand his own interests and makes him feel more confident. It may happen that you have chosen a game for him and he may not like it, so he may not play it. Ultimately, somewhere he gets a feeling of not able to play the game because he doesn't like it. At the same time, he also feels like he is not able to play it because of inability to understand the game. So take time, let him select the game for himself so that he enjoys it. And when he plays it, when he enjoys it, when he finds his own interest in it, the child feels more confident, because with interest he performs well. Okay, very small things like whatever he uses, his water bag, his water bottle, his compass maybe, or maybe his bag, let him choose it for him so that he understands how to take decisions to make him more confident. Yes, as a parent, you can always give him inputs. Like if you're choosing a small bag, whereas now in school the books are big and they may not fit into the bag, you need to explain him that and give him the choice of bigger bags so that he selects one from them. Now, appreciation boosts confidence, decision making boosts confidence, good performance boosts confidence. If you leave the child alone, he will discover his own interest, his own likes and dislikes, and thus this again boosts his confidence. Now, the best part to make your child smarter and confident is let him explore the world. Now, when we say let the child explore the world, we do not really leave the child free in the world, right? The child's world is very small. It's about choice of his sports, game, friends, bags, pen, pencil, and you can say sports, whatever he wants to play. So the world is very small, so let him choose friends for him, let him choose books for him, let him choose which game he would like to play. Let him explore the world in his own way so that he enjoys it with interest. When the child has an interest in it, he definitely proves to be a good performer, and when he performs good, he is appreciated by everybody, which boosts the child's confidence. Of course, as a parent, we are of course with the child every time. So try these tips. Let the child be more confident. Let him be more smarter in his own way. Try these tips and let me know. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for new and more videos on parenting. Also, if you want to hear something from me or want me to make some more videos on different topics, you can mention in the comment. Thank you very much.